online games try to control us and give us ranks and other things from which we get addicted to the online games.
So totally agree, sir, but it's depending upon the user also. Some quiz programming online games are there. It is good for people, and then some other bad things. Some people are addicted. Depending on users.
Yeah, we can earn money in online games, but compared to studies, it's so bad because we get distracted more. And nowadays, small children are getting addicted to these online games and all. So it's bad, pain.
According to researches of various research institutes, the online games are boon because some online multiplayer action game, not every online game, they teach a person how to react vigorously, like how to react on a situation, and it makes a person to try again and again. Somewhere it is bane when it gets addicted.
I agree with them because even I feel that online game is a boon. It improves our eye to hand coordination, and usually it found that whoever plays more games or who is into more online gaming, they are comparatively less violent because they are playing more games. And in US compared to, there was done an analysis based on this, and it was found that in kids who used to play more games were less violent, and were in school they used to be less violent. And everything there has to be moderation. That's why I accept that those points that it can be an addiction too, but you have to play in moderation.
But it depends on which game we are playing. Like it's not like if we play like some meditation or like puzzle games, so it will be a good thing for our mind. It will make our mind sharp. But if you start playing rummy or other games, it will be an addiction.
Yeah, like I said, everything should be done in moderation. You
Yes.
can't go beyond all that.
I had another point to his like it's a boon because according to a study back in 2020, it was found out that the students who were in 10th and 12th, the results were very less comparatively due to lockdown as well as online gaming. So I would consider that as a pain.
Yeah, I will agree with Anurag. It's definitely a pain because people are wasting time today. Nowadays, students are wasting too much time in games and all, and it's a kind of distraction also.
Yeah, we have advantages and disadvantages. Advantages are we can earn money, we can learn something. But disadvantages are we will get more distracted, we will lose our attraction towards studies and all. That's the disadvantage.
I would like to add a thing. As she said, it has advantages and disadvantages. If we consider disadvantages, it has more weightage. We can take those advantages by other ways. We can opt other ways to get those advantages. Like we can divert ourselves and learn and earn money by doing other things also. But the distraction then causes damages to this.
I would like to add some points in Rahul's statement. He said that in US, according to studies, students are less violent. But in India, researchers found that students who are playing online games are comparatively becoming more violent, and they are arguing with their parents, not eating food, leaving their regular habit, and their results are gradually decreasing.
Yes, as we seen in social media, the boy try to kill his mother because of his mother stopped him to play PUBG and all. As we seen in medias and all.
Yeah, I agree with you that online games. There are many cases in India where kids are misusing their parents' account, they are using their money. Like that, everything there should be a regulation. There should be a way to monitor it because online gaming it also improves our thinking ability. You cannot many simulation games are there where you can pursue what you without actually doing the work and do it. So I feel that online gaming is one, but it just needs some regulation.
Yeah, so I agree to this point because, but I don't agree that they're relaxing their mind by playing online games. They can